Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello, Gary, and welcome.
Good morning from the office again.
There you are. So glad to have you today.
Hope you all are.
Yeah, doing well and staying safe. So thank you for noticing. We've got a couple questions today. The first one is, could someone use the COVID-19 anxiety as a defense for an accident or as an excuse for doing someone harm?
Well, people always have an excuse for what they do. So can they? Yes, I guess they can. Will it work? No, I suspect not. It's kind of like having diabetes and having sugar issues or something. If you know you got a problem, don't get behind the wheel. Don't put yourself in a dangerous situation. So, I've heard it all. I haven't heard that one yet, but I don't think it'll fly. No.
Okay, all right, but we may hear some of that in the future.
There you go. I know I'll hear it. Yeah.
All right, so next question. This one, maybe some fun, something to talk about, right? What is your risk on playing sports, the playing of sports, I guess, amid this coronavirus? Should there be a football season? And what about high school sports?
This is the question I guess all of us who love football and college sports is asking. I don't know. I think it illustrates part of the problem we have, though, with a lack of a national advisory, because we don't have a guidelines. The CDC has issued some, but they've been shelved, so nobody knows what they are, and we don't really know what to do. We see California holding up school. We see Notre Dame now saying they're going to have school. So starting in August, so they can be done by Thanksgiving. Who knows? I honestly don't know. I think it puts a lot of pressure on local governments and local authorities. It'd be nice to have some kind of guidelines, particularly for these contact sports. I just can't see what the high schools are going to do right now. I think we're going to need a little more time to figure all that out. But, it's not that hard. It's all about, do you know there's a problem, and have you done what you can to deal with the problem? And if you're doing what you can to deal with the problem, that should be good enough. What we're hearing out of Washington now, though, is blanket immunity for businesses, nursing homes, anything that deals with the public. And I just don't see a need for that. We need to have standards and we need to have guidelines. But past that, this blanket immunity stuff we're talking about, I don't see that as being a very helpful precedent.
Very good questions. Thank you so much, Gary. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.